Hello everyone. Today I present a dialogue between the interview and me in a job interview. Hello, good morning. Good morning, sis. Interest in my fields. I am Carmen Steven Rafael Ortiz. I am aspiring to the position of industrial engineer in this company. This is okay, I am here or human talent of the company that is going to interview you. Yes, sir, I will attend to answer your question. Yes. Can you tell to me about yourself? Yes. I am a hardworking and responsibility person with my academic and work study. What are your strengths? I can solve this to set solution to problems I fit in if into my mean to it. Where are you? What next? I am Elsus Distort. Uh, what is your Christian achievement in life? Travels to this snow place in Colombia. Where do you see therefore in 5 years? Which house which is all war and hardened and study your job. Where do you want to work for us? What do you want to work for? We do made some if you recommend to be out to work with you and I can easily adapt. And rare culture ultimately another important point in salary.